Papa, oh, waiting I don't do. You bless me, my life make better. Oh, what shall I render unto the Lord for all the good things you have done? Yo, other four, and I have no Francis from Pomas and Nkosuohene, and a summary motion, and a Gideon and a summary motion. Gideon was would be a show, Proof Media Channel, or a year Germany, Nkosuohene TV, or Germany, and a fee, or call a Ghana Live TV in Swa. Ubinia Ibi Ashe, or Ghana, and I said Ghana Diaspora TV, and also Ubini Bi Ashe. Then I only go Pontridian from a yard of no yatum. I'm a pepper payat, and I mean the game. Na UK, US, Germany, there was one. To me, Italy, I know Germany for Janet. And maybe you know the reason why. My name is Sonnie Badu. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think today is your first time coming to Holland.
No, I've been coming here for some time now, but I haven't been here for a long time. So
Okay.
I think the last time I came here was about 4 or 5 years ago.
Okay. For a program or?
Yes, it was an event, but it feels all new again. So let's say first time doing a major concert here.
Okay. So what's the keeper?
Pachon.
You're Ghana?
No, I'm British born, schooled in Ghana, and then went back to.
Okay, so let me quickly ask you this: why music? Because I got up Dr. Pan, and I said lawyer B.
Why are you doing this job? Why are you doing this job? So, I'm going to be actually. To miss me the tour, so that's why.
Okay, and people agree with us say why, how, kind of how. What do I not get to be and you're not sounding Dana as a crown or 20 Dana as nobody too much. Not sounding different. Why?
I guess yeah. I can tell you how are you in 2 different ways. I can look at you and say, how are you? And I can look at you and smile and say, how are you? It's so a expression, how I express myself, and it's to do with understanding what I'm doing. And if I'm worshiping, I'm and I say, so I sing it to him, and that's the effect it has on people.
Okay. And the music career in the Hana so
I watch everybody. Everybody that's gone ahead of me, some of the things that they've done to sustain themselves, and some of the mistakes some of them have done, that has, brought them down, and I learned from that in TV show.
Okay, you have been in Ghana a couple of times now, and we're winning so many awards in Ghana. So, how do you see Ghana music Ghana music industry? So,
it's really getting better. I'll zero it to gospel music. They're doing very well. You have Chris Yoting, you have Joe Nato, you have Eugene Zuta, you have Mercy, and everybody's doing really good. So yeah, SP Coffee Sample. I think it's ASP.
ASP Coffee Sample.
Yeah. So everybody is doing great.
Talking about Ghana music industry, Ghana for 2 gospel people. How do you see them? How do you
I remember last year when I won the award, Ghana Music Award, they said something, said people who live abroad and do gospel music make it easy for them because the system, of course, abroad here is very different from Africa. If you see somebody going around to try and sell their album, you need to support because it's not easy. You gotta pay studio way, and it's euros or pounds. You're paying your CDs, but because of passion, they just want to fulfill their heart desire. So I give them thumbs up, and I just encourage them to keep going.
Okay, so do you think being famous is a big task?
No, because I'm level-headed. I'm a family person.
Okay.
So outside is the Sonnie Badu. Inside, you see me playing with my band and my people, and I've always grown up that way. So for me, if I have to wear the shoes of Sonnie Badu, I wear the shoes of Sonnie Badu. If I have to wear the shoes of Sonnie, my friend, that's what I do.
Alright, one last question. Why new music and Kabele?
Football.
Football?
Yes. Yes, that's what a lot of people thought I was going to do.
It's football, team power.
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
And Real Madrid.
Hey, why Chelsea? Why Real Madrid?
I've always been a Chelsea fan. In fact, I was Arsenal because actually not can more. And then when Essien came to Chelsea, I just fell in love with Chelsea.
Okay.
Because I love everything that Africans are involved in. Chelsea, we have Drogba, we have Essien, and for me, it's very difficult for Africans to break through into anywhere Africans are. I make sure that I also support it because it's not easy for Africans.
There are a lot of people who are on the Sonnie Badu. Tell them something. They encourage you because we are. Just say the way I told them, what have the past so you to me almost how they like.
It's flattering wanting to be like Sonnie Badu, but be yourself. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Everybody's different. Maybe actually different. And if you want to wear my shoes, you should be ready to go through what I've been through in life. And where I am is a finished product. But if I have to tell you my story before I got to where I am, you wouldn't want to be in my shoes.
I wish I would know.
That's another interview, trust me.
No problem.
But I've been homeless before. I've lived in cars, sleeping in cars.
Really?
Yeah.
In UK?
I'm telling you. Now I share suit back over 3 years. I said I took the trousers, I said I took shoes back open and you know, and it's just 6 years ago that I broke through. So I have a story, and that sometimes when I'm writing songs, I think about what I've been through, and then I write the songs. That's why you feel the passion. So challenges that are coming your way are also a part of the game. It's part of God's plan. So don't give up. Just keep going and believe in yourself. Just keep, even if anybody doesn't believe in you, believe in yourself and you will get there.
So yes, we need easy see concert craze we protocol to Syria. The names on that's how it is.
Every organization has things, rules and regulation. Anything that has to last long has rules and regulation. Like this computer that you can't just get up and go, you have to put a password in there and then you get on. And so that's how life is. If you want to last long, you have to put things in order. And so you can chat with me now, but when you needed to get through to me, you had to go through someone, and they had to consult management to let me know that this is it, this has to be done. And I was like, yeah. So yes, once the individual goes through the right channel and they meet all the requirements, why not? It's possible.
Okay, so after this concert you will be
I've got to be in Florida next week with Jonathan Nelson, Kimber and Ty Tribbett to do Jonathan's live recording. When I go to Suriname, I have a live concert there at the stadium, Flamboyant Stadium. Then we have California, we have Qatar, we have Thailand, we have it's all over.
Is there like a Germany?
I'd love to come to Germany. It's just if we get the right team putting it together, why not? But I haven't been fair to Germany.
Seriously?
Yeah, I know
that.
If we get the right team on ground, we could surprise Germany. Yeah, definitely.
And then you will program, so let me leave you. And next time, you know, we'll start in the Thank you very much. It's the Sonnie and Wonder God and a very rich one. I also watch you be. Yanko Bon and Shas, the France from Pomanzo and Nkosuohene One.
Papa, oh, waiting I don't do. You bless me, my life make better. Oh, what shall I render unto the Lord for all the good things you have done for me? Done for me, nothing more. Waiting I don't do. You bless me, my life make better. wonder, oh, what shall I render unto the Lord for all the good things you have done for me. The things you do for me, nobody can do. The miracles you bring my way, it blew my mind, oh, it led to my way. Nothing compared to you. Can't be able to see your wonder in my life. The things you do for me, nobody can do. The miracles you bring my way.
I've had enough of you. 3 months is enough. Where's my money? I've had enough of you. Your bags, have them. Don't come to my house again. Do you hear me?
Sorry. Hello, my brother. Welcome. Everything on place? Everything on cool? You know me love your head doing cards. Everything blessed. Everything hammer. But we don't want any embarrassment, you know. I want to stop you. You are off. We don't care. After this man, sorry boss. After this man, you off.
Boss, I'm very sorry.
Be done.
It won't happen.
Shut up.
Hello, young man.
Yes.
How you doing? Don't worry. I've heard you sing it, yeah? And when you finish, this is my card. Come and see me, okay? God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
The things you do for me, nobody can do. The miracles you bring my way, it blew my mind, oh, it led to my way. Nothing compared to you. Can't be able to see your wonder in my life. The things you do for me, nobody can do. The miracles you bring my way, it blew my mind, oh, it led to my way. Nothing compared to you. Can't be able to see your wonder in my life. I've never seen this kind of before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I've never seen this kind of before. Wonder, 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 wonder. Yeah, I knew Laura correct. Yeah, I knew. Yeah, I knew Laura correct. Yeah, I knew. Wonder, wonder, wonder. The things you do for me, nobody can do. The miracles you bring my way, even my mind, and to my rain. Nothing compared to you. You're a wonder in my life. I've never seen this kind girl before. Wonder, wonder. Hey, wonder, wonder. I've never seen this kind girl before. Wonder, wonder.